In Kotlin, output is typically handled using built-in functions like println and print, which are used to display information on the console. The println function outputs the specified text followed by a new line, while print outputs the text without adding a new line. Kotlin's approach to output is straightforward, allowing developers to quickly debug or present information by embedding expressions directly within strings using string interpolation, $variable name or $expression. For example, println, the sum is $a plus b, will display the result of the expression within the curly braces. This feature makes Kotlin's output system both intuitive and efficient, enhancing readability and simplifying the process of displaying formatted data. Overall, Kotlin's output handling is designed to be user-friendly, consistent, and integrates well with its overall concise syntax.